Rail transport is key in the transition to a sustainable society. To achieve this, it must be seen as reliable every day and on every journey. When disruptions occur, Nobina offers a comprehensive replacement traffic solution designed to ensure that train operators can uphold their customer promise, even during disturbances. Since a bus can never fully replace a train, our solutions are built around existing public transport systems to ensure that all passengers can continue their journey as smoothly as possible. The foundation of all traffic solutions is planning, and in the event of sudden disruptions, a hidden timetable is activated, allowing some of our more than 500 partners to quickly deploy their drivers and vehicles. No matter what the disruption, everyone involved receives the same information thanks to Nobina's real-time replacement traffic system. Signs, websites, and apps are automatically updated. Passengers can find their departure in the journey planner, and the train operator always has full oversight of replacement services in operation. We are Nobina. We ensure the journey continues even when the trains are not running.